In our previous videos in the series on World War I, we discussed how Russia, France, and Britain came together against Germany and Austria-Hungary, and how the Allies stopped Germany's attempt to defeat France in the First Battle of the Marne. In this part, we will talk about the Gallipoli campaign. After the First Battle of the Marne, several significant events occurred before the Gallipoli campaign. Australia joined World War I on 4 August 1914, as it was a part of the British Empire. Italy entered the war on the Allied side in May 1915 and opened the Italian front and initiating a series of battles with Austria-Hungary. This series of battles known as the Battles of the Isonzo. The Ottoman Empire also joined the war on the side of Germany and Austria-Hungary. The Ottoman Empire had lost its territories in previous wars. By joining the Central Powers, the Ottoman Empire hoped to regain these lost lands and restore its former power and glory. In early 1915, Britain, France, and Russia were looking to open a supply route to Russia through the Dardanelles Strait, which was under Ottoman control. They needed to capture the Gallipoli Peninsula to do this. On 25 April 1915, soldiers from Britain, France, Australia, and New Zealand landed on the beaches of Gallipoli. They were called ANZACs, that stands for Australia and New Zealand Army Corps. The British believed that the Ottomans would roll over and die. But it did not happen. The Ottomans, led by a smart leader named Mustafa Kemal, was ready for them. They had high ground and shot down at the invaders. From May to January of 1915 to 1916, Allies tried to break through Turkish lines at Gallipoli. They attacked Anzac Cove, fought at Lone Pine and Suvla Bay, and tried to take Chunuk Bair and Hill 60. Despite early successes, they couldn't achieve their goals due to tough terrain, strong defenses, and supply problems. By January 1916, suffering heavy losses and facing a stalemate, the Allies decided to pull out their troops from Gallipoli. They made a careful plan to evacuate Gallipoli. The Gallipoli campaign was a big part of World War I. It showed a lot of bravery and sacrifice on both sides. In the end, it didn't achieve its goals and ended in a costly stalemate, but it had important effects on the war and the countries involved. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please do like, share with friends, and please subscribe to the channel.